Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X9 Ultra, and let me share with you how to reset all settings on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll all the way down to find System and Update. Then let's go to Backup and Reset and tap on Reset Phone. As you can see right here, we've got the option we're looking for, so it will reset all settings, including no work settings, so just tap on it. Here we need to confirm everything with our screen lock and tap on Reset. Here also the information that in this operation cannot be undone, so just tap on Reset if you're ready, and now we need to wait until this process will be finished. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.